Hello everybody, Davey Vet out at the range again with my Swedish Remington rolling block again. I got some load data from a guy in the rolling block group, and I am now going to use a powder coated bullet again. I probably said in the previous video, I seen a guy on YouTube using the wet method using acetone to powder coat, and I really like that method a lot better. I am going to use Alliant 2400 powder today at 17 grains. My bullet weight is 225 grains with the gas check and powder coat. I have this set out to 3 inches, 130 thousandths. So it's down in the case approximately 1/4 of an inch. Actually going to the first grease groove. They chamber pretty well. The chamber in this rifle is, the throat I should say, is really generous. Long, deep throat. It might, I don't know, maybe it's a tapered throat, but so you look at my comparison to the first round I did with calf, you can see there's a slight difference in the height. And the original cast bullets are ALOX coated, and they work just fine. I just powder coated them because, well, I use this same bullet in my Berthier, which shoots 8x50 Lebel, and the chamber dimension, the bore and groove dimensions are pretty much the same as it is in this rolling block. So I just made a bunch of these, and I'm just going to shoot them in the rolling block. These are actually, this cast allows me to, the powder coating on this cast bullet allows me to shoot at a higher velocity without letting the barrel. And I don't know what this Alliant powder is going to do. It's something somebody else is using in their Swedish rolling block, and I'm going to try it and see what kind of speeds I get. And as most of you know, I'm shooting at 50 yards. Alright, let's give it a shot. Oops. Somehow it turned on again. Okay, well, most of you know my videos are amateurish. I don't do a lot of editing, mainly because I'm afraid I'm going to mess up the whole video, so I don't do it. I do have the chronograph set up. I'm going to start a group as soon as he shuts off the red light, because the flashing lights overhead mess up my data, and I'm waiting on him to get that done. And he should be shutting it off any minute now. Okay, when the red light's off, we're going to start a new group. Alright. And I think I need to connect. There we go. Now my chronograph's in the light, so I don't know if it's going to read now. Whatever. I just want to see how fast these bullets are going to shoot. I don't know where it's going to hit. Probably going to hit low. It's 1,375 feet per second. That's not bad. It could go I could go faster. I want to write that down even though I've got it in there. So I imagine these are going to be, I don't know where they're going to be. We'll do a 5-shot group. That one's 1394. These are pretty slow. I think I need to add more powder. That one's 1407. That one's 1418. That one's 1428. I want to pause the camera. I need to look through the range scope, which is over there by the camera, and see where my groups are hitting. Okay, I looked through the scope. They're really low, so I expected they would be. So I'm going to set this up. It says 500 meters on there. We'll do another 5-shot group. $14.31. $14.33. That was 1401. $14.13. That was 1424. Yeah, that's 5 more shots. Again, I'm going to pause the camera. Looking at the scope. Well, through the scope, they look really good. We're right on bullseye there. Pretty decent group. I'm going to shoot some more, and then I'll take you down range. That one's $13.99. $14.07. That's $14.10. $14.21. $14.41. I lost my paper. We're ready to go downrange and check it out. Alright, there you go. My first shots were down there. I brought my elevation up. My aim point's always right here. So I'm guessing we're like 2.5 inches high for my aim point. And that's Alliant 2400, 17 grains, and that's the result. Okay, it says that my average speed was 1,413 feet, 0.47 feet per second. So 1413.47 feet per second. Standard deviation was 17.25, and that's way better than my last groups with the other load. That's accuracy is really good. I have to set the sight at 500 meters, and I'm really impressed with that load. I think I'll just stick with that. I could speed it up, I don't know, but the powder coated gas check bullet could do more speed easily. I could probably do another 500 feet per second and still be good. I may play with it, see if I lose accuracy, but we'll see. Maybe that was the range. Moving on to something else.